Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie, and this is Visions of Atlantis. So, done a Visions of Atlantis song before, did it way back in 2019 when Paz was here, right here, sat next to me. And it was a bit of a mixed bag. Our problem was, I think mostly, if I remember rightly, it was mostly with the production of that song, in that it was kind of lightweight production. It took away sort of took some of the metalness out of the song, and it had orchestration, and I think the orchestration was really loud. But it's not that we disliked it, it was just that it kind of had something missing. So Visions of Atlantis have a new album, Pirates. Is it out? Yes, just out, literally just out, like a week ago as I'm making this. So this is a song off this called Master the Hurricane, or Hurricane, depending on where you're from. And I have not heard it at all, so I've been saving this one for a whole 3 days probably since I saw it on YouTube. It's not the most forbearance I've ever had in my entire life, but yeah, I'm interested to see. So Visions of Atlantis were just touring with Seven Spires. Might still be touring for all I know. I think they are, actually. Anyway, they're touring across America and Canada, I think. And Seven Spires are touring with them. And it was Dragon Force. It's the Dragon Force tour. Now, Seven Spires, a band that I've come to love. They're similar bands. Oh God, I hope I don't get in trouble for that. It's quite symphonic metal, but not full blown Nightwish symphonic metal. I tell you what, I'll stop talking before I dig myself a hole. Let's have a listen to it and then see. But yeah, we are kind of in symphonic metal land. It might be full blown. Like I say, not heard this. I haven't heard Visions of Atlantis for probably since we did that song in 2019. So I should probably stop talking before I realise I'm talking out of my hat. That's the polite version of that saying. Gosh. Yar!
Bridges have covered the fields and painted all dark. So this was not a dream. It flowed in all the streams. I know I'll return one day to this world I knew. Raging storms bring the rain. How can I master the hurricane? Solid stone turns to clay. I fear the way to my call will fade away. I learned to master the hurricane. Healing wounds from decay. I am the force at the core that never shakes.
Oh, see, so caught up in it, forgot to pause it. Okay, yeah, it did go. Oh, my microphone's kind of disappearing. Okay, I take it back. It was a bit full blown Nightwish, wasn't it? Let's start with all the. Do we start with the positive? No, what I'll do is I'll start with the negative and then I shall lavish praise upon it. I still think the orchestration is too loud. I think the guitars should have been louder. I think this record was mixed by the keyboard player who isn't even in the video as far as I can tell. All of that, the orchestration and the choirs, they're kind of, they're a bit overpowering. And when they weren't there, and you could hear what the guitars are doing better and all of that, it kind of, I like all the orchestration and the choiry stuff. I just think it needs toning down a little. But having said that, this was great. That was great. I you know, I know I keep saying Seven Spires, but I'm slightly obsessed with Seven Spires at the moment. Still, that sort of great melodic stuff you can get behind and have a good jig, a pirate jig in this case. It's uplifting, isn't it? And you just like, I'm having fun here, you know. And there's plenty of room for having those days when you listen to doom metal at 5 in the morning in just your underwear. But anyway, or having a good death thrash, you know, session or whatever, and there's a time for this where you can sing along at the top of your voice even though you don't know what the words are and just enjoy it. I think I found that incredibly entertaining. The video was really good, actually. And I try not to get too caught up in videos because they're not there when I'm listening to the album, obviously, in my car. So I try and listen to the song for what it is. But this video is really good. The whole thing, the production on it is what it is. It's good production. I'm just not sure about the mix. But the song is just, and I mean the mixing levels. I mean not the quality of it. But the song's a cracker. I can you imagine that live? That'd be so great. That'd be so great because you just know those guitars are going to cut through live. And And the whole thing, I'm pretty sure you would just be da 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 and singing along with everybody else, again, whether you knew the words or not. So Visions of Atlantis looks like they've come up with a stonker of an album. Brand new, just out. If you like your symphonic metal, go get it, because it's definitely quality stuff, isn't it? Definitely. It's just whether the overpowering orchestral parts are a big problem for you. And don't forget, I mean, don't let me put you off, because don't forget, I'm listening to this with my reviewer's ear. So I'm kind of listening to it intently, like picking it apart mentally as it goes along, which is not how people listen to their music. Of course, people just listen to music and enjoy what they get. My life is ruined for that sort of thing, unfortunately. So please don't take my comments too on board, because I think this is a quality piece of work. Just saying. Let me know what you think as ever, and I'll see you soon. Yeah, I think that about covers it. And you know what I don't say, which I really ought to say, is don't forget to like and share this video. And please put in a comment. And the truth is, the last one's the most important. Put in a comment, put in a comment to me saying how brilliant I am, obviously. But if you like a channel like this and you like the video that you're watching and you go to the trouble of clicking like, so you like it enough that you want to click like, just send that YouTuber a couple of words of saying your opinion or anything at all, because without the comments, people like me have no idea what people think. We can't read minds. Even those psychic channels, they definitely can't read minds due to it not being real. There you go. I doubt if anybody watched that, because only about 5 people out there actually watch these to the end. See you soon. Bye bye.